Okay, Y dilations worksheet. We are not going to do problems 2, 4, 6, or 8. Problems 1 and 3, I'm not going to show those as an example. They're just not good to show as the example. I'm going to do problem 5. Center, -4, -2 means this is your E. So at -4, -2, this would be my E that I'm dilating from. I have a scale factor of 3/2, which is an improper fraction, which is the same as 1.5 or 1.5. So this is actually a scale factor bigger than 1, so it should be getting bigger and farther away from my E. So if this is my E and this is my shape, then my final product should be farther away and bigger. Alright, you can label these A, B, C, D if you want to. You don't have to, just make sure that you hit all points. I will label them, it helps some people, A, B, C, D. If you do not have room to write on here and if you want to use notebook paper, that's fine. I need to know how far from E to A, E to B, E to C, E to D. So E to A, don't go over any and go up 4, so 0, 4. E to B, over 4 up 6. E to C, that would be 6, 6. E to D would be 6, 4. And I'll take these distances and I want to do them times 1.5. I'm not going to label the whole A and the A prime over here just to save room. So 0, 6, 6, 9, 9, 9, 9, 6. So plot the new points from E. So from my E, I don't need to go over any and I need to go up 6. For A prime, over 6 up 9, so that's 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, so I need to go up 7 more. For B prime, C is 9, 9, so that's 4, that's 2, so I got the 7, and then D is 9, 6. Okay, same general shape, but dilated. Bigger than the original, farther away from the point E, the point of dilation. On the Y problems, you have 4 points. This one, your center's at 4, 4, which is your E. So 4, 4, this is actually your E and it's on your shape. So this shape, your final answer is going to land on top of the original picture. It's not to that scale, but you'll get the idea. Here again, you have these 4 points. So if you want to label them A, B, C, D, that's up to you. E is at -4, 8. So this is my E. So this shape is going to get 3/4 is less than 1, so it's going to get smaller and closer to my E. So we'll end up something like this. 7 is going to be really tiny answer. It's somewhere in here and it like all fits within one block somehow. And then 9, 4/3 from 0, -6. Alright, on the back of this, you need to draw the picture that this explains, and then you answer these questions based off your picture. So it says dilate by scale factor of 1/2 using the origin. So how far from E to A, E to B, E to C. Graph it when you get your new shape is somewhere over here. Point A prime, is it at the same coordinates as point A? So if A prime was here, is A and A prime in the same spot? And then it says explain why or why not. So we would say no, because it dilated. I do not need a complete sentence, but I do need you to explain. Sometimes it dilated can be the answer for multiple questions. Sometimes that will not work. Perimeter is the outer edges of a shape. So if you have a small triangle and you have a big triangle, the perimeter is like the fence. So the fence to go around the big yard is going to take up more fence than the fence that it takes to go around the small yard. So the perimeter of the big yard is bigger. Area is the shaded region, so how much grass fits in that yard. It only takes a little bit of grass for a little yard. Big yard takes more grass. So that is the shaded region. The word congruent means same shape and same size. So two congruent shapes are exactly the same. Horizontal is a line that goes straight across. Do the same thing on the bottom. You're going to graph 0.44 is your E. Scale factor of 2, so it's going to get bigger and farther away. And then answer the questions related to that. So perimeter and area are the same as described above. Similar means same shape but different size. So we have two triangles. They are similar because they're both triangles, but they are not the same size. So they are similar, not congruent. A vertical line is a line that goes straight up and down. 12 says, and explain in your own words. So explain what a dilation does to a pre-image. Explain how it's going to change the size and what the center of dilation has to do with that. And then 13, how could dilations be used in real life? So any real life scenario works. Should have everything explained needed here. If not, email or message on Remind.